Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European Indices for Tuesday, November 16. And starting with the Stock 50, then we'll have a look at the DAX and the FTSE. So this particular move up through here as wave 1 is in line with the US markets, as you may know. We're looking for 5 waves within that structure. So if we go to the 4-hour chart here, like from the low here, we're looking at 1 and 2 here, and then 3 and 4 here, and then 5. It is possible to put wave 4 over here as well. I don't think it makes much difference. We're tuning this into the US markets. And here we're looking for 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So it's going to take us up to around 44.30 sort of area. 44.20 would be probably safer. But yeah, that's kind of where we are really. So let's just move into the hourly chart here, picking it up from that wave 4 as 1 and 2 here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the third, fourth, and then the 5th wave to the upside. So that's where we're looking to take profit, and be it on the hourly chart or be it on this particular tick chart here or whatever. Obviously, traders do different things, of course, but you know, we have been long in most of these European markets, and building positions up in either tick charts or hourly charts, whatever it may be. But the main point is obviously not everyone, you know, holds on this long through everything. But everybody's a bit more short-term trading in this sort of stuff. But anyway, we played it to this wave 1, and with the DAX and the FTSE, well, not so much the FTSE, but the DAX and this market, we've been building in here on the hourly and the tick chart. So there'll be a lot more positions in here on the tick chart as well. So in a nutshell, if that's been the case, then we're looking to take profit at the top of wave 1 here. So it's been a long journey, and of course, you know, most people are just day trading this, so they're not holding there. If you would like to trade, you know, longer to the upside, just go to the DAX now, then the weekly robo method is normally quite good for that type of thing. So you can see that on our website. So if you go to the robo, we use it for day trading, and but you can certainly use it for weekly charts as well. So really it's just keeping the stop under the low here until you're taken out. You know, it takes a bit more courage to do that, but that's where the money is. So anyway, apart from trading strategies, the DAX, we're looking at mechanical trading strategies. I'm a bit more freestyle with Elliott and the price and reading patterns and so on, but yeah, mechanical is good. So yeah, once again, we're looking for wave 1 top and wave 2 here. So all we can do is just continue to count the structures up from wave 1. So from the low of wave 4 here, we've counted up through here and basically tuning it into, so we're looking for higher ground here, as we talked about yesterday. So we're just tuning all this pattern into the S&P 500 and the NASI and so on. But in those cases, this green wave 4 is a blue wave 4 for the US markets. So yeah, I think there's a good case for having wave 4 sitting just here in this, and I'm just putting a stop in here now because we want to kind of govern that exposure to the upside there. So, but apart from that, everything's going along according to plan. So 16,000 obviously is the big kahuna here. Then we've got 16, 1, 2 and 3 that make up group 1, and you can see here that you know, it was resistance, and then it's wiggled its way across, and now it's got support here. It's support in my eyes because it's taken out, well, this high has taken out that high, but these ones, it's sitting there nicely. So any new high here, you could say that's tested support. So anyway, between 100 and 200, there'll be the sub-levels, so 10, 20 and 30 for Group 1, so a nice tested support on top of Group 1 is good, and then you got the midpoint 50, and then you got Group 2 starting with 80, 78, 80, and then you've got 72 and 65 in that space there as well. So anyway, that's where that is, and I don't really need to go any closer to the market than that. We can put that there. And the FTSE in a bit of a world of its own, but just on the 4-hour chart, we're just watching this correction come back here yesterday. It did move a tad lower here, but we can see that the indicators are setting up ready for the next move to the upside. And as Fred mentioned, that this could be in 3 waves here, so we could be in for an ending diagonal triangle. That would leave this in 3 waves there, and if that was the case, then that top would be in play there. So it's possible to have a top in play that's in 3 waves, but we'll just we'll just stay on course here and be a bit philosophical about this situation in here for this. We know what the FTSE's like a little bit, and maybe we could take it even past that, you know, but I doubt it. We've got to bring all the tops in together with the S&P in this regard. So anyway, on the hourly chart, just for a little bit more insight there, we've got wave 3 or 4 or 1 and 2 here, doesn't really matter, but here we've got wave 1 and 2 and 3, and we're looking for 4. It hasn't overlapped wave 1 yet, so we're still there. We know that the that momentum should pick up there now, looking at that as wave 1 and wave 2 back here and building through here. So you could go long through here if that's I'll put that in there. So just on that top there, you could go long, keep the stop if that's triggered, keep the stop under this level, and then get it to break even as quickly as possible. But once again, with all of the US markets and European markets, we'll be looking to take profit once we get that 5 waves in at that point. Alrighty, all pretty simple. I'll leave it at that. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.